Ja Rastafari. Gotta fix my Gatling gun rotating pipe. See the little crack in there? So I gotta take it to my partner, let him fix that crack in there. That's why it's been spinning no more. Trust me, this don't spin in your hand. So I already take the clamps off. One clamp here and next clamp I took off here. I don't have to put two more clamps when I install this again, so it don't vibrate. I think vibration broke that, put that crack in there. Yeah, this is the BT100. Ari people, gotta take the muffler off. As you were.